If you're somebody that is thinking about holding some SXP token, or perhaps you've already got some SXP token on a third-party exchange like Binance perhaps, maybe you've got it just sitting there on your Swipe wallet, not really doing a lot. Well, I'm going to ask you the question, what are you doing? Why is your SXP not generating you some passive income? That's it. It's easy to get your SXP generating passive income. There are no gimmicks. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. So make sure, if you want to know, then stay tuned for the whole video. You can still enjoy this one. Use the bilateral. What is good, YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with real Satoshi Aoki on the channel where we always strive to bring you the no BS cryptocurrency content, education, and information. Whilst I do know what I'm talking about on these videos, and I always practice what I do on these videos before I do them, you must understand these videos are never financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in the ideas in these videos. So in today's video, as promised, I'm gonna be talking to you about how you can start generating some passive income on your SXP. Sounds great, right? And if you're not doing it, what the heck are you doing? SXP is so bullish. We are so bullish on SXP, we know that. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Venus Money Market, and I'm gonna be doing for you live the staking of my SXP. I'm gonna be basically lending my SXP. I'm gonna be getting paid out in the Venus token, all right? And the current percentage currently sits at around 5.36 APY, going straight into my non-custodial Metamask wallet, and it is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, what do you need to get involved in this? Well, you need a Metamask wallet, you need to do your own research, of course, and you also need to attach Binance Smart Chain to your Ethereum Metamask wallet. Now, I've had a lot of people sort of say to me when I speak to them about this in person, or even just over YouTube, they say, oh yeah, it's too complex, it's too hard, it's scary, I don't want to lose my funds. And you know what? This is very ironic. And you want to know why it's ironic? Because a lot of these same people hold their SXP tokens on exchanges like Binance, like the Swipe app. Now, nothing against those two platforms at all, okay? But the fact of the matter is they are third-party platforms, and you got to understand, you don't have complete control of your funds. It doesn't matter what third-party platform it is or what kind of insurance measures they have in place, but you know, we do decide to use some of these platforms for their passive income benefits, all right? But in this particular case, unfortunately, the Swipe app is not offering any consistent APY returns at the moment. You can't get anything really good on Binance as far as I'm aware. That may change in the future. So the best place that I'm aware of to be staking your SXP is on Venus. Now, as I said, if you are looking at getting into doing this after doing your own research and you don't know how to attach Binance Smart Chain to your Ethereum Metamask wallet, then don't worry. I'm going to leave a video tutorial here about how to do that right here, okay? It's really clear, it's really instructive, and it's going to teach you how to attach Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet, okay? So you're going to have your Binance Smart Chain on there, and then once you've done that, you're going to need some SXP on there, and you're going to need some BNB on there. I would recommend maybe at least half a BNB to use as gas fees. One really quick and important tip that I do want to make extremely clear: if you are sending money to your Binance Smart Chain on Metamask for the first time, always do a test, okay? Don't worry if you have to pay double the gas fee. It's worth it just to make sure that you have done it correctly. So send the minimum amount of BNB, send the minimum amount of SXP, and then once you've done that and it arrives safely, then send the bigger amount, okay? You don't want to be that person who does it incorrectly and you lose all your funds, okay? Don't do that. All right, so we're gonna head on over now to Venus and we're gonna check out how we can stake this SXP in real time. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so as promised, we are doing this for you right now in real time on the Satoshi Aoki YouTube channel, okay? So this is the Venus.io platform. Now, a lot of you that are new might get a little bit confused, okay? This is not the actual sort of place where you do your staking. You actually gotta do it on the platform. I'm gonna show you in real time how to access it. Before we do that, let's just have a quick skim through, okay? So this is the Venus Money Market. You can scroll through, and essentially, guys, as you can see here, this is your savings here, okay? So you can earn interest on your assets, okay? So funds held within the protocol can earn APYs based on the market demand for that asset, okay? And you are gonna get more if you do get or decide to get paid out in Venus, which I'm personally going to be doing. And that's the rate we're gonna be getting today, 5.38% APY. That will fluctuate, okay? So theoretically, the more people that get involved with the Venus protocol, all right, the lower this number should go theoretically, and the less people involved, the higher it should go in theory, okay? So if we then scroll down, you've also got the information on the liquidity here. So if you're someone that does want to borrow, you've got all the transparent amounts of available liquidity in these stable coins here. And something that I really like about this Venus protocol is that they've got the VAI, their own VAI token, which is a stable coin equivalent on the Venus platform. Okay, so now that's all out of the way. So we're going to actually click on the launch app button here. We're going to prong that button there, and that's going to take us over to the Venus protocol. Okay, now I already did have that one opened up. All right, now you're going to have to allow your MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain turned on to be able to access this. Okay, so as you can see, basically what happens is if you go on and you don't have your Binance Smart Chain attached through MetaMask, you're not going to be able to get this screen. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an example now. Okay, I'm actually just going to go on to my MetaMask wallet, and I've got it on the Smart Chain right now, but I'm going to change the Smart Chain, the BSC, to the ERC20 Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so I've changed it over, and as you can see, all right, you're going to get this screen. Venus is only supported on Binance Smart Chain Network. Please confirm you installed MetaMask and selected Binance Smart Chain Network. Okay, that's very important. All right, very important that you do that. If you get that screen, you think, what the hell's going on? I've done something wrong. You're freaking out. Don't freak out. Take a deep breath, and let's come back and we can select the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so I'll just take a little screenshot just to show you the drop-down menu there of the Binance Smart Chain, so that's fine. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so now that we are back on board here, as you can see, this is the Venus.io, the dashboard here. We are on the Venus protocol, and in today's video, as promised, we are going to be staking our SXP and hopefully getting paid back in Venus. Okay, so as you can see, it says here in my wallet, which is connected to my Binance Smart Chain MetaMask, of course, I got 6,597.7 SXP that I can use, and I can supply that there. So this is if we're supplying, okay? So if you're lending out any of these tokens, all right, this is the rate you're getting back. So if you're lending out Venus, you get a pretty good rate back. You're getting almost 14% back on your Venus, okay? Just giving you a few examples there. And the borrowing market. So if you need to borrow some funds in any of the following formats here, okay? This is the, I believe this is the return rate in which you need to pay back these funds, okay? And then we've got the mint function here where you can actually mint some VAI, all right? And you can actually then stake that VAI. I won't actually be making a video on actually staking the VAI in this video because I do need to look at it in just a little bit more detail before I decide if it's something that I do want to do. But let me know if you would like to see me make another future video of me also staking some VAI, minting some VAI, staking some VAI, and getting the returns back on that as well, all right? So let's crack on straight into this, okay? I'm with you for the first time here. I actually haven't done this before, so let's do it. All right, folks, so to supply, I'm just going to click on SXP. All right, I've got my available SXP here. Make sure supply is ticked, not withdraw. Okay, we want to supply, and I'll just click this max button here. Okay, so that's the amount of SXP I've got in my MetaMask wallet with the BSC Binance Smart Chain attached. Okay, supply APY 1.35%, distribution APY 3.95%. Alrighty folks, as you can see, I'm just having a look here. The supply APY is 1.35%. I did think it was actually going to be 5.31 there, but look, I'm just going to see, when I do make an update video, I'll actually see what kind of rewards I'm getting so we can actually get some clarification on that. So as you can see here, we've got borrow limit. Okay, so it looks like I can borrow, which is pretty cool, almost 14,000 USD there, okay? So it's up to 14,000 USD, we call it 13,944, and borrow limit used, I got 0% out of 0%. So guys, yeah, bear with me, I'm doing this for the first time, okay? I'm doing it for the first time. So I just want to take my time, make sure I'm doing everything correctly. So as we can see here, we're going to supply now. All right, I'm going to click supply. It's going to bring up my Ethereum here. I'm just going to have a look at the details just quickly before I continue, guys. All right, folks, so it's saying the gas fee is only 0.003209 BNB, which is, if that is actually correct, then that is really, really good compared to ERC20, okay? That is like absolute just potato chips. So we're going to confirm that and go for it. Alrighty folks, so that was extremely quick. That whole process there, after I clicked the button and loaded it, was probably about 10 to 15 seconds. And as you can see now, my supply balance has been updated. I got $23,240 worth of the SXP token that I have supplied. And as you can see, okay, here we go. So APY with Venus. So as you can see here, I'm getting APY with Venus, got little fire turned on. Net APY is 5.31% here, okay? I got $0 as my borrow balance so far. Now just see what happens if I turn that off. Okay, guys, so now it's making sense, okay? So the when it was asking me for confirmation, it was doing it on the assumption, well, it was giving the net APY based on me not getting paid out in Venus, okay? In which case, I'm not sure if I'd be getting paid back in SXP or the VI stablecoin, or what exactly I'd be getting paid back with. Let me know in the comments section below if you've been through this process before, because you can educate me as well, okay? But obviously, I feel bullish on Venus as a token, also because I think it's got around 19 or 21 million, or similar amount of total supply to BTC, talking about the Venus token itself. So, so there's that scarcity there. So I'm very, very happy to be getting paid back more at 5.25%, because look, let's be honest, I would actually probably, I do actually hold some XVS, some Venus token anyway. Just before we do wrap up today's video, guys, we're just going to take a bit of a skim through for you guys that haven't seen anything about Venus protocol before. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard here. What I really love is all the data and statistics that you do have here. It's very transparent, very clear. I like the color scheme. It looks good. It feels good. It's fast. It's efficient. And, I'm comparing it to, working with the ERC20, okay? The Binance Smart Chain, I guess, was created to really just make things a lot more efficient, a lot faster. And yeah, it's just a lot cheaper as well, guys, a lot cheaper. As you know, I'm a bull on Ethereum, but we don't know what the future holds for Ethereum just quite yet, until they sort of resolve these scalability issues with Ethereum 2.0. And what I really also like as well, guys, they've got a voting section here, okay? So there's a bit of a governance model in place here, where I haven't personally done any voting, but if you do get involved in this platform, you do hold some of their coins on here, you can create a proposal here, and you can actually vote on these governance proposals here. We won't be going into too much detail into these proposals, but guys, if there's anything, on this Venus.io that you would like me to talk about in more detail in future videos, because I am really passionate about, the DeFi space as well, and ways that you can earn passive income in a decentralized manner, and just, give back to the community. I mean, DeFi, the ethos behind DeFi is so massive, I think, for, the original reasons, and the philosophy of why I believe cryptocurrency, why cryptocurrency Bitcoin was created, guys. So, it's a pretty big deal, and, DeFi ain't a fad. DeFi is not a fad. There's going to be a lot of sheet coins in the DeFi space, but there's sheet coins, there's sheet stocks, guys. There's bad stuff, there's bad property investments, guys. Anything you invest in, there's going to be bad stuff, and there's also going to be some good stuff as well, and then you kind of got fads which come and go. But I can tell you right now, DeFi, along with NFTs as well, which I'm getting into as well, they are not fads, guys. There's going to be some really good stuff here. You've got the market distribution data here for Venus. And you got the market information. Now, I love this, guys. So this is the total supply of the markets, the total borrowing, and the available liquidity as well, okay? And you've got your VI staking APY. Guys, not too bad, 17.73% if you want to mint some VI and stake that. So again, not doing that in today's video. I'm going to have a bit of a look into that, see whether I want to do that, and possibly make a video on that. And we got the vault as well. So you can see the emissions per day, the total VI stake, the VI staking APY, and the vault rewards pool here, okay? So VI staked here, I don't have any here. Okay, so available VI to stake is 0 VI. To stake VI, you need to approve it first. So I haven't even approved this, guys. So I might have a bit more of a play around with this after I wrap up today's video, just to keep it a bit more short and concise. But yeah, guys, look, that's it. Alrighty, folks, so that is going to wrap it up for today's video, but please let me know in the comments section below, do you think that you want to possibly get involved and start staking some of your SXP using the Venus.io platform, okay? What did you think of this protocol today? What did you think of this tutorial? It was pretty easy, right? I mean, come on, I did it pretty fast, and there was a bit of faffing around, okay? I wasn't sort of straight into it. I could have wrapped it up, in a shorter time frame, but I just wanted to take a little bit of extra time to explain and show you guys, a bit about, give you guys a bit of context, and just, let you see, what is going on, okay? So let me know in the comment section below, is this something that you want to do? Let me know if you've got any questions at all, and let me know if you want me to make some future videos about the Venus.io platform, because it's a really, really special part of DeFi, and I think it's, it's going to be a really good, strong powerhouse for Swipe going into the future. I think it's still early days for the Venus token. I really do think there's a lot of price potential growth, and I'm definitely feeling bullish on the Venus token going forward, because look, it's got a simple utility. It's in a great space DeFi. It's a working product. It doesn't have a huge amount of people using it right now, okay, but I think it's got this is the right time to get in, guys. It's the right time to get in. So like the video as well, guys. If you did find value in the video today, subscribe to the channel if you are new right here, turn those notification bells on, share the video with a friend if you thought it was valuable as well. So wherever you are watching from in the world, I really hope you do have a profitable and a blessed day, and I shall catch you in the next video. Cheers, viewers.